The flange nut is one of two flanges that secure the grinding wheels to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch threaded hole so it can be secured to the grinder's spindle. One side has a 7/8 inch hub for attaching standard grinding wheels to the grinder. The other side is flat and can be used to secure thin cutting discs or diamond wheels. The hub on the lock nut can wear over time, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the flange nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the nut with the spanner wrench. I'll lock the grinder's spindle with the lockout button. I'll spin the grinding wheel by hand until the lockout button engages. I'll use the spanner wrench to remove the nut. Now install the new flange nut. If I'm using a full-size grinding wheel like this, I'll install the nut so the hub is down. If I want to install a thin wheel, like this diamond wheel or maybe a thin cutoff disc, I'll install the nut so that the flat portion is against the wheel. If I put the hub side down, it'll never tighten against the wheel, it'll just rotate freely. The flat side will clamp it securely. And that's how simple it is to install a new flange nut on your grinder.